of sky. And an entire town is being destroyed as proof of Agent Z's awesome weapon, Tonto.
That, gentlemen, is the fate of our nation's capital, unless I surrender to Z's country within 24 hours.
One day to save a nation.
Not even my army can locate Z's stronghold in that time.
Kemosabe, fire rain come from mountains. Mr. President, an entire army couldn't get past Agent Z's weapon, but 2 men might make it.
Good luck, Lone Ranger.
On Silver! Those rocks, Tonto. Hurry! Draw fire, Kemosabe. I circle behind Bushwhacker. Right.
I give up.
A member of Agent Z's espionage army.
Don't shoot.
Then talk fast. Where's your headquarters?
Up there. The volcano crater.
Tonto, we're running out of time. I'll try to sabotage Z's weapon. You bring Colonel Lund's troops.
If that Indian brings the army here, they'll get a warm reception. So, the Masked Man hasn't given up. Activate the defense traps. Yes, my leader.
Easy, Silver. What's wrong, big fellow? The canyon. Danger. Those small bumps in the ground. I wonder.
Our minefield took care of that masked intruder.
The whole pass is filled with explosive traps.
What? Impossible. He must have blown up the mines and escaped. Wait, there he goes. So the Masked Man still lives. The fire machine, quickly! Enemy sighted, sir! Fire! The Masked Man's trapped in a ring of flames. He'll soon be a pile of cinders.
My leader, the army's coming.
What? Reload the fire machine. Distance 5 miles. Open fire.
It's rain and fire. Kemosabe in danger.
Fools! I near miss. Reload! Attack! Get that Masked Man! The missiles! Let's get out of here!
Those missiles catch fire, this entire mountain will be blown up.
I shall yet be victorious. My target, Washington, D.C.
Washington? I've got to stop him.
Nothing can save your capital now. The firing mechanism ruined. Perhaps I can still... No! No!
Mountain explode! Kemosabe!
The volcano's erupting!
Must get to him.
Too late, Tonto. Nobody could survive that inferno. But the Lone Ranger's life was not in vain. He saved our country.
No! Lone Ranger still lives!
On, big fellow!
Kemosabe!
Hail Silver! Away!